The following video contains scenes that is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
I'm sure some say you're a bad man. Eh? I'm sure you're a bad man, nigga. Eh? I'm sure you're a bad man. I'm sure you're a bad man. Eh? I'm sure you're a bad man. What's the charge? I'm sure I'm sure you're a bad man. Eh? I'm sure you're a bad man. You're a bad man. Look for me, dad.
I want to you, tell the fuck right now. I want to see. Oh, yeah, I'm happy. Tell you. I'm taking a... I'm not trouble, man. I can take it from you. So I want to you. Not trouble you. I want to you. I want to you. How are you afraid? You let me know, man. It's not trouble you, man. Not trouble you. Not trouble you, man. Where you take it from? I want to you. I want to you. Don't take it from me now. I want to you. Fuck you.
I got shit.
Easy man, I want to man.
Sure.
Easy around man, I start the plane, man. I want to man, easy man. Sure. Easy man, easy man, I get too much of you now, I want to. I want to.
Watch it. Grab it, what the fuck you for that stuff? Come on, catch him. They catch him. They catch him. Feet now. No, like him.
No, you man down.
What's it?
Viewers and subscribers, big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, right about now, I'm going to say this. You see, some of the times when you see some persons, they by themselves or them a whole of vibes, don't disturb them. Don't try to go there and mess around them vibes and what them do, because believe me, sometimes a person just don't feel well or they're just not in a good mood. And if they want to be by themselves, allow them, you see me? And some of the times, don't try to take persons for this thing what them call them idiot or take them for a joke and play around them, you see me? Yeah, and especially don't play with knives. Whether you is a big grown adult or you is a young child or whatsoever, you don't play with knives. You get me? Look, I had a cousin that one time that man was coming from school. You know, he was a young person at the time, that's what I say, but he was up in his age as teen, coming from school, and a big grown man saw that youth and play with him with a knife, and the knife accidentally stabbed him. You don't play with knife. You get what I'm saying to you? These things are dangerous, yeah? Have you ever heard a saying that don't trouble who don't trouble you? Or the easier way, as our Jamaicans would have said it, is not trouble who not trouble you? Eh? Because as simple as you take it, or as simple as you look at a situation and take a thing for a joke, sometimes persons out there might not take it for joke, right? And I'm not encouraging people out there to go damage people because of something like this. I'm just saying this because you have some people out there, you might not know what they're thinking. In these times, you have to be careful. You understand? Yeah, because simple as our things turns into an argument and turns into a fight and even worse than that. You see what I'm saying to you? I'm saying that you don't play with knives. Knives are dangerous. It's when I say it's cutting tool, and don't play around someone that you see trying to hold a vibes by themselves, or you see them take it easy. And especially do not take persons for the word that is called fool or idiot. No, you don't do those things. Alright? But big up and respect to each and every one, and I'm not disrespecting anyone that you see in this video. I'm just more of a concern. Alright? So let me know what you think, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.